completed till question number 700. Now we will start from question number 701. Let's begin. Question number 701. The Atal Bihari Vajpayee government launched the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan in A. 1999, B. 2000, C. 2001, D. 2002. Answer is D. 2002. Question number 702. Golden Quadrilateral Project aimed at A. Rural electrification, B. Road connectivity, C. Agriculture reforms, D. River linking. Answer is B. Road connectivity. Question number 703. Which PM is associated with India Shining campaign? A. Narasimha Rao, B. Vajpayee, C. Manmohan Singh, D. Modi. Answer is B. Vajpayee. Question number 704. Who was India's Prime Minister during 2001 Parliament attack? A. Vajpayee, B. Manmohan Singh, C. Modi, D. Narasimha Rao. Answer is A. Vajpayee. Question number 705. The Gujarat riots took place in A. 2000, B. 2001, C. 2002, D. 2003. Answer is C. 2002. Question number 796. Who was the Chief Minister of Gujarat during 2002 riots? A. Sheikh Hassan Waghela, B. Narendra Modi, C. Keshubhai Patel, D. Anandibin Patel. Answer is B. Narendra Modi. Question number 707. The UPI government came to power in A. 2002, B. 2003, C. 2004, D. 2005. Answer is C. 2004. Question number 708. Who became Prime Minister of India in 2004? A. Sonia Gandhi, B. Manmohan Singh, C. Vajpayee, D. Advani. Answer is B. Manmohan Singh. Question number 709. Question number 709. The ADIA Act was passed in A. 2004, B. 2005, C. 2006, D. 2007. Answer is B. 2005. Question number 710. The National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (NREGA) was launched in A. 2004, B. 2005, C. 2006, D. 2007. Answer is C. 2006. Question number 711. NREGA guarantees how many days of employment? A. 50, B. 100, C. 150, D. 200. Answer is B. 100. Question number 712. The Indo-US Civil Nuclear Deal was signed in A. 2005, B. 2006, C. 2007, D. 2008. Answer is D. 2008. Question number 713. Who was India's Prime Minister during Indo-US Nuclear Deal? A. Vajpayee, B. Manmohan Singh, C. Modi, D. Narasimha Rao. Answer is B. Manmohan Singh. Question number 714. The Mumbai terrorist attacks 26/11 happened in A. 2007, B. 2008, C. 2009, D. 2010. Answer is B. 2008. Question number 715. Who was the Home Minister of India during 26/11 attacks? A. Shivraj Patel, B. Chidambaram, C. Advani, D. Rajnath Singh. Answer is B. P. Chidambaram. Question number 716. The Right to Education (RTE) Act was passed in A. 2007, B. 2008, C. 2009, D. 2010. This is 2009. Question number 717. RTE Act came into effect in 1916. Question number 716. The Right to Education (RTE) Act was passed in A. 2007, B. 2008, C. 2009, D. 2010. Answer is C. 2009. Question number 717. The RTE Act came into effect in A. 2009, B. 2010, C. 2011, D. 2012. Answer is B. 2010. Question number 718. The Commonwealth Games hosted by India were in A. 2008, B. 2009, C. 2010, D. 2011. Answer is C. 2010. Question number 719. The Local and Locutus Act was passed in A. 2011, B. 2012, C. 2013, D. 2014. Answer is C. 2013. Question number 720. The movement demanding Lokpal was led by A. Kejriwal, D. Anna Hazare, C. Baba Ramdev, D. Megha Patkar. Answer is B. Anna Hazare. Question number 721. The Nirbhaya case happened in A. 2010, B. 2011, C. 2012, D. 2013. Answer is C. 2012. Question number 722. The Criminal Law Amendment Act related to Nirbhaya case came in A. 2012, B. 2013, C. 2014, D. 2015. Answer is B. 2013. Question number 723. Narendra Modi became Prime Minister of India in A. 2012, B. 2013, C. 2014, D. 2015. Answer is C. 2014. Question number 724. The Make in India campaign was launched in A. 2013, B. 2014, C. 2015, D. 2016. Answer is B. 2014. Question number 725. The Swachh Bharat mission was launched in A. 2013, B. 2014, C. 2015, D. 2016. Answer is B. 2014. Question number 726. Digital India campaign was launched in A. 2014, B. 2015, C. 2016, D. 2017. Answer is B. 2015. Question number 727. The Goods and Services Tax GST was implemented in A. 2016, B. 2017, C. 2018, D. 2019. Answer is B. 2017. Question number 728. The demonetization of 500 and 1000 notes happened in A. 2014, B. 2015, C. 2016, D. 2017. Answer is C. 2016. Question number 729. Which new bank was launched by Government of India in 2015 for women? A. Bhartiya Mahila Bank, B. Bhartiya Mahila Bank, B. Jan Dhan Bank, C. Mudra Bank, D. Shakti Bank. Answer is A. Bhartiya Mahila Bank. Question number 730. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana PMJDY was launched in A. 2013, B. 2014, C. 2015, D. 2016. Answer is B. 2014. Question number 731. The surgical strike on Pakistan occupied Kashmir took place in A. 2015, B. 2016, C. 2017, D. 2018. Answer is B. 2016. Question number 732. The Balakot strike took place in A. 2017, B. 2018, C. 2019, D. 2020. Answer C. 2019. Question number 733. Article 370 was abrogated in A. 2018, B. 2019, C. 2020, D. 2021. Answer is B. 2019. Question number 734. Jammu and Kashmir was made a union territory in A. 2018, B. 2019, C. 2020, D. 2021. Answer is B. 2019. Question number 735. The Citizenship Amendment Act CAA was passed in A. 2018, B. 2019, C. 2020, D. 2021. Answer is B. 2019. Question number 736. The COVID-19 pandemic started in India in A. 2019, B. 2020, C. 2021, D. 2022? Answer is B. 2020. Question number 737. The first nationwide lockdown in India was imposed in A. March 2020, B. April 2020, C. May 2020, D. June 2020. Answer is A. March 2020. Question number 738. India launched the vaccine Maitri program in A. 2019, B. 2020, C. 2021, D. 2022. Answer C. 2021. Question number 739. India's Chandrayaan-2 mission was launched in A. 2018, B. 2019, C. 2020, D. 2021. Answer is B. 2019. Question number 740. Chandrayaan-2 could not successfully landed on A. Moon North Pole, B. Moon's South Pole, C. Mars, D. Venus. Answer is B. Moon's South Pole. Question number 741. India's first interplanetary mission, Mangalyaan, was launched in A. 2012, B. 2013, C. 2014, D. 2015. Answer is B. 2013. Question number 742. Mangalyaan mission was aimed at A. Moon, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Jupiter. Answer is B. Mars. Question number 743. The Chandrayaan-3 mission was launched in A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, D. 2024. Answer is C. 2023. Question number 744. Chandrayaan-3 successfully landed on A. Moon North Pole, B. Moon South Pole, C. Mars, D. Venus, D. Moon South Pole. Answer is B. Moon South Pole. Question number 745. India became the first country to land on Moon South Pole in question number 745. India became the first country to land on Moon South Pole in A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, D. 2024, C. Answer C. 2023. Question number 746. The G20 presidency of India was in A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, B. 2024. Answer is C. 2023. Question number 747. The G20 Summit 2023 was hosted in which Indian city? A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Bangalore, D. Hyderabad. Answer is B. New Delhi. Question number 748. Who was the Prime Minister of India during G20 presidency 2023? A. Manmohan Singh, B. Modi, C. Vajpayee, D. Sonia Gandhi. Answer is B. Modi. Question number 749. India hosted the 2023 G20 summit under the theme A. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, B. Digital India, C. Make in India, D. One World, One India. Answer is A. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Question number 750. India Chandrayaan-3 mission made soft landing on Moon South Pole on A. July 23rd, 2023, B. August 23rd, 2023, C. September 23rd, 2023, D. October 23rd, 2023. Answer is B. August 23rd, 2023. Question number 751. The new Parliament building of India was inaugurated in A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, D. 2024, C. 2023. Answer C. 2023. Question number 752. Who inaugurated the new Parliament building of India? A. President of India, B. Prime Minister, C. Lok Sabha Speaker, D. Chief Justice. Answer is B. Prime Minister. Question number 753. The architect of the new Parliament building is A. Bimal Patel, B. Charles Correa, C. Lev Corbis, D. Hafiz Contractor. Answer is A. Bimal Patel. Question number 754. The new Parliament is part of which project? A. Digital India, B. Central Vista Redevelopment, C. Bharat Mala, D. Make in India. Answer is B. Central Vista Redevelopment. Question number 755. The Women's Reservation Bill Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam was passed in A. 2021, B. 2022 C, 2023 D, 2024 answer C, 2023. Question number 756. The Women's Reservation Bill reserves what percentage of seats in Lok Sabha and state assemblies? A. 25%, B. 30%, C. 33%, D. 50%. Answer C. 33%. Question number 757. The bill will be implemented after A. 2024 elections, B. First delimitation after census, C. Presidential approval, D. Rajya Sabha elections. Answer B. First delimitation after census. Question number 758. The One Nation, One Election debate is associated with A. Simultaneous election, B. Presidential elections, C. Panchayat elections, D. Judicial reforms. Answer A. Simultaneous elections. Question number 759. GRT recommended using the term Bharat instead of India in A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, D. 2024. Answer C. 2023. Question number 760. The Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha in Ayodhya was held on A. January 22nd, 2024, B. January 26, 2024, C. 15 August 2023, D. March 23rd, 2024, A. January 22nd, 2024. 761. Who performed the rituals at Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha? A. President, B. PM Modi, C. RSS Chief, D. Yogi Adityanath. Answers B. PM Modi. Question number 762. The chief idol of Ram Lala in the new temple was sculpted by A. Ram Sutur, B. Arun Yogi Raj, C. Vimal Patel, D. Satish Gujral. Answer B. Arun Yogi Raj. Question number 763. The consecration ceremony of Ram Mandir was overseen by A. VHP, B. Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Shatra Trust, C. RSS, D. Akhara Parishad. Answer is B. Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Shatra Trust. Question number 764. The Ram Mandir is located in which state? A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 765. The Gaganyaan mission is India's first A. Lunar mission, B. Manned space mission, C. Mars mission, D. Venus mission, D. Manned space mission. Question number 766. Gaganyaan mission is planned by A. DRDO, B. ISRO, C. File D. BARC, B. ISRO. Answer is B. ISRO. Question number 767. The Aditya L1 mission is India's first A. Lunar mission, B. Mars mission, C. Solar mission, D. Venus mission. Answer C. Solar mission. Question number 758. Aditya L1 was launched in A. 2022, B. 2023, C. 2024, D. 2025. Answer is B. 2023. Question number 769. The landing site of Chandrayaan 3 is named A. Vikram Point, B. Tiranga Point, C. Shiv Shakti Point, D. Ram Mandir Point. Answer C. Shiv Shakti Point. Question number 770. The place where Chandrayaan 2 crashed is named A. Vikram Point, B. Tiranga Point, C. Shiv Shakti Point, D. Bharat Point. Answer is B. Tiranga Point. Question number 771. The African Union became a permanent member of G20 during India's presidency in A. 2022, B. 2023, C. 2024, D. 2025. Answer is B. 2023. Question number 772. The theme of India's G20 presidency was A. Make in India. B. One Earth, One Family, One Future. C. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. D. Digital India. Answer C. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Question number 773. The 2023 G20 summit in Delhi was held at A. Pragati Maidan, Bharat Mandapam. B. Vijayan Bhavan, C. JNU. D. India Gate Lawns. Answer A. Pragati Maidan, Bharat Mandapam. Question number 774. Who represented the African Union at G20 Delhi Summit 2023? A. Azali Assoumani. B. Cyril Ramaphosa. C. Nana Akufo-Addo. D. Moussa Faki. Answer A. Azali Assoumani. Question number 775. The Indian lunar mission are controlled from A. Bengaluru ISRO Telemetry Center. B. Delhi ISRO HQ. C. Sriharikota. D. Ahmedabad PRL. Answers A. Bengaluru is ISRO Telemetry Center. Question number 776. Which state was carved out as India's newest in 2014? A. Jharkhand. B. Telangana. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Uttarakhand. Answer B. Telangana. Question number 777. The first CM of Telangana was A. Revanth Reddy. B. K. Chandrasekhar Rao. C. N. Chandrababu Naidu. D. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. B. K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Answer is B. K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Question number 778. Which Indian city hosted COP14 of UNCCD in 2019? A. Delhi. B. Noida. Greater Noida. C. Bengaluru. D. Mumbai. Answer is B. Noida. Greater Noida. Question number 779. India's first bullet train project is between A. Delhi Mumbai. B. Delhi Lucknow. C. Mumbai Ahmedabad. D. Chennai Bengaluru. Answer C. Mumbai Ahmedabad. Question number 780. Question number 780. The Statue of Unity 2018 is dedicated to A. Gandhi. B. Patel. C. Ambedkar. D. Bose. Answers B. Patel. Question number 781. The Statue of Unity is located in A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer is A. Gujarat. Question number 782. The tallest statue in the world is A. Spring Temple, Buddha, China. B. Statue of Unity, India. C. Liberty, USA. A. Action Satyar, Myanmar. This is the Statue of Unity, India. Question number 783. India first Chief of Defence Staff CDS was A. General Rawat. B. General Manoj Pandey. C. Admiral Sunil Lanba. D. Marshal Arjun Singh. Answer C. General Rawat. Question number 784. The Agnipath theme for Armed Forces recruitment was launched in A. 2021. B. 2022. C. 2023. D. 2024. Answer B. 2022. Question number 785. The first woman to command Republic Day Parade in 2024 was A. Preeti Chaudhary. B. Shalila Dami. C. Madhumita. D. Divya Ajik. Answer Shalila Dami. Answers B. Shalila Dami. Question number 786. The Bharat Drone Mahotsav 2022 was inaugurated. President B. PM Modi. C. Rajnath Singh. D. Nitin Gadkari. Answers B. PM Modi. Question number 787. Which Indian city hosted this SCO Summit 2023 virtually? A. New Delhi. B. Goa. C. Varanasi. D. Bengaluru. Answer is A. New Delhi. Question number 788. India first indigenously developed air carriers. A. INS Vikrant 2022. B. INS Vishal. C. INS Arihant. D. INS Chakra. Answers A. INS Vikrant 2022. Question number 789. The INS Vikrant 2022 was built at A. Cochin Shipyard, B. Mazagon Dock, C. Hindustan Shipyard, D. Goa Shipyard. Answers A. Cochin Shipyard. Question number 790. The Har Ghar Tiranga campaign was launched in A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, D. 2024. Answers B. 2022. Question number 791. The Quit India movement completed its 80th anniversary in A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, D. 2024. Answer C. 2023. Question number 792. The first tribal president of India is A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Pratibha Patil, C. Draupadi Murmu, D. Ramnath Kovind. Say C. Draupadi Murmu. Question number 793. Draupadi Murmu belongs to which tribe? A. Gond, B. Santhal, C. D. Toda. Answers B. Santhal. Question number 794. India's first digital currency pilot project CBDC was launched in A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, D. 2024. Answers B. 2023. Question number 795. The RBI's digital currency is called A. E-Rupee, B. Bharat Coin, C. Digital Rupee, D. E-Money. Answers A. E-Rupee. Question number 796. The first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize in Economics. A. Amartya Sen, B. Abhijit Banerjee, C. Jagdish Bhagwati, D. Raghuram Rajan. Answers A. Amartya Sen. Question number 797. Abhijit Banerjee won Nobel Prize in A. 2017, B. 2018, C. 2019, D. 2020. Answer C. 2019. Question number 798. Question number 798. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Kanam Maleshwari, B. PV Sindhu, C. Mary Kom, D. Sakshi Malik. Answers A. Kanam Maleshwari. Question number 799. Mirabai Chanu won silver medal in Olympics 2020 in A. Wrestling, B. Boxing, C. Weightlifting, D. Shooting, C. Weightlifting. Answer C. Weightlifting. Question number 800. Neeraj Chopra won India's first Olympic gold in athletics in which event? A. Javelin throw, B. Shot put, C. Discus throw, D. Long jump. Answers A. Javelin throw. We had completed till question number 800. In the next video, we will cover from question number 801. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much to whoever is watching. I catch you in the next one. All that guys, I'm gonna go now. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you find my teaching helpful, do share it with a friend so that more people can learn. Okay, then bye.